Today's Bible verse from Luke chapter 2 verse 7, King James Version. And she brought forth her firstborn son, and wrapped him in swaddling clothes, and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn. Luke chapter 2 verse 7 of the Bible describes Jesus' birth in a manger or feed box and wrapped in swaddling clothes. This verse conveys several meanings, including number 1, Jesus' humility. Jesus' birth in a manger and wrapped in simple clothes highlights his humility and the paradox of King of Kings entering the world in such a modest way. Number 2, Jesus' poverty. Jesus was born into a lifelong poverty, as his own earthly mother and Joseph were poor. Number 3, Jesus' grace. Jesus was rich, yet for our sakes became poor. Number 4, Jesus' message. Jesus' humble birth conveys a message to creation that the transcendent God condescended to come to us. Number 5, Jesus' availability. Jesus is approachable, accessible, and available. And number 6, Jesus' teaching. Jesus came into the world to teach us to do likewise. Amen.